Welcome to Ballsocks Gaming.
Ballsocks! Gaming.
Yeah.
We're gonna play Dreadout. I'm gonna play Dreadout.
I'm gonna cuddle a frog.
It's gonna be a good time.
Squid Squad!
We already tried starting this earlier and then had technical difficulties.
Penis!
No!
He said yell something. So you want a penis? That's the first thing that came to mind.
This is why he's an honorary member and not really a real member. He doesn't get to play games.
What this?
We tried starting this a little bit earlier, but had some technical difficulties because the controller was the wrong controller that was hooked up. Anyways, I'm gonna play now.
Yeah.
Can you type Squid Squad again?
Yeah.
Thanks.
You have to actually.
Am I good?
Yeah. Squid Squad!
That's a
Squid Squid!
Squid Squid! Squid Squad!
I'm so excited right now.
You can change limbo walking distance through the experience settings in main menu.
Oh, should we explain that we have the Periscope going while we're recording so these
Yes.
YouTubes don't get
Okay,
confused?
so we do have a Periscope running right now. If you guys don't know what Periscope is, it's an app that you can use to stream whatever you're doing at that time. It is under @infinitelykarlssss. That is my username, and we're probably going to be doing this for everything that we record. So if you guys ever want to check that out, it's like a prequel to the actual game.
That's why he yelled penis.
And that's why he yelled penis, because Bryce is the one reading that right now.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna put one of these in my mouth.
Why is the ceiling hairy, though? Like, that's not how normal
It's
things
over
are.
Strange.
Oh.
No, it's hair.
It's hair. It's a Japanese game. It's probably hair.
The door is locked.
It's illuminated.
Huh?
It's a nice beat.
Thank God, Linda. What took you so long to pick up? Where
Linda,
are you? Are
Linda,
you
listen.
all dying waiting
Listen,
for you to
Linda.
get here?
Hey,
Thank God, Linda.
listen.
What took you up? Where are you, right?
666.
Dying
Yep,
waiting for you to
all the
die.
6. Heart rate is increasing. Oh shit!
There's a spooky ghost.
Spooky ghost. Spooky
I'm so
ghost.
startled.
Spooky ghost. Those are really hot. Found an iris phone. Not an iPhone,
God damn it, Brian.
but iris phone. A dependable cell phone with a long battery life. I keep on forgetting to use the right fucking trigger.
Joystick?
Joystick. Yeah.
Like, why are you using the right trigger?
Wee. Every time I see a rainbow now, I just think of freaking Naruto and how it stands for snakes, especially when it's in a full circle around the moon. It stands for Orochimaru. He's gonna be present. You're welcome for that nerd fact.
I don't watch Naruto.
We're gonna open the door now?
Door is open.
It was locked earlier. Interesting. Oh shit. Hello. Hello. Quit calling Brian a slave. I'm gonna smack you.
I feel like you're seriously walking like this girl right now.
Oh, you can actually run. Oh, that's a thing.
I don't know if it's running.
What is that?
I know you can actually
but I like the
open,
tracks.
like, you use your camera view.
You can turn the light off.
There's an orange
Left
shit
trigger?
on the screen. What does that mean?
Was it left trigger?
Right trigger.
Hold it.
You don't have to hold it. Well, alright then.
God damn it. I told you guys.
Scared Bryce all the way in the back.
I was expecting that shit. Let's wait, I'll ask gotta be so fucking bad because you like have to fucking look through a goddamn fucking camera the whole time. And you're like,
Night vision.
plus when you play with headphones, like the loud noises.
Get to you. Yeah, I know.
No, I know about those ropey rooms. You don't go into rope rooms.
Why?
It's fatal frame, bro.
Because of what? Wait, look right. Like normal.
Right, like normal?
Yeah, now shinier.
Oh, she's right behind me.
Behind you, what the hell?
Like
No, now
right
look
now.
right.
I swear there's like a
Yeah.
Oh, what the shit?
Damn, Bryce, back at it, you have the blue shit.
Damn.
Bryce, from last time, you should play
What the
Slenderman.
shit, though?
I should play Slenderman.
I think you're supposed to look at
Slenderman
her
would be
in the
pretty funny to
camera.
play.
I would literally die and probably piss my pants, I'm not gonna lie.
You're supposed to what?
I think you're supposed to take a picture of her.
How?
A, X.
Why? Nope.
Other trigger.
There it is.
Where is it?
Turn and look at her.
It's, the...
Take a picture of her. Fucking
Because I think she's fucking your shit up.
I think she's fucking your shit up. Because
Find
remember
her.
at the beginning it said everyone, like every ghost over there fucking...
Yeah, she's just like walking to you, bruh. Bruh.
Flashes before your eyes.
Ryan.
Achievement unlocked. Well, shit. I got a picture of her.
Posted it to Twitter.
Posted it to Twitter. Hashtag.
Josh Olive. Hi. What's going on? I said that really Hey. Oh, hey. Oh, hey.
Oh, well, alright.
That looks appeasing. Well, that's actually a person.
That's a real person, yeah. Well, I don't know if it's a real person. It doesn't look
Have
like
your
it's
eyes
gonna
got fucked
fuck
up,
you.
Can you not?
No, not today, not yet. But it's still early for us.
No!
Maybe you're just
Casey!
like randomly firing.
Yes, I am. You got a problem with that?
Nope.
Yeah.
Oh, you surveyed that room.
Sweet the fuck.
What the?
Still time.
No.
Oh.
No.
Oh, well, shit.
Sweet ass rotation.
Cat.
Yeah.
No, what a
I
cat.
don't understand.
Touch it.
Touch it.
Touch it.
Touch your boobs, dude.
Just like that.
Okay.
He said touch your boobs to
I
it.
mean, I don't, because you can't physically operate your arms. That's usually what happens. Oh.
I feel like she's not nice. She's probably not going to be nice. I don't think she's a friendly person. We shouldn't talk to her. I don't like her face. She's really just a fucking bitch, though, right? Like, look at her in her fucking schoolgirl outfit. Yeah, we get it. You're fucking cute. I'm sorry.
Damn.
I really mean when I play scary
Okay,
games.
but there's a smile on her face.
Damn, girl.
No, I don't like this. This isn't good.
I'm gonna like walk up to you and take a picture, just like you're taking a picture of her.
Follow me, Linda.
Linda, listen. Listen, Linda.
She's like moonwalking.
Dragon killer. Dragon killer. No, she's running awkwardly. Yes, though.
Yeah, she just ran into a wall.
And teleported. Some instant transmission shit right there.
I don't want to be here.
Oh my god.
We'll be in.
Alright, Linda. Got no fucking time for your reindeer
The
game.
door is locked!
If I keep-
I'm
I have a
assuming
fucking
maybe
light
upstairs.
switch. And a police officer. Or a fireman.
Or a
Get
biker
fireman.
gang.
Firemen are nice.
I want a biker gang.
Fireman?
My daddy's a fireman.
I want a biker gang.
My daddy raised me to never trust cops. Because he's smart.
Wow, that's fucked up.
Brian, why aren't you playing?
Yeah.
What's up, Ashley?
Because the girls are more scared.
And Bryce.
And Bryce is scared too. I said the girls.
are more scared.
Alright.
Bryce talks to ghosts for, like, funsies, so... In
I
real
had
life...
a really weird experience when I was in high school. I should tell you about that sometime.
I have plenty of experiences with ghosts.
So do I.
We'll probably be talking about it later tonight, because actually we were talking about that last night and we got rudely interrupted by Karlssss. Remember?
Yep. It's a good combo.
Suck it.
What is that?
That's a fucking dog.
I like it.
Hi, puppy!
Is it?
Puppy!
talk to your ghost. I don't think it works that way, dude. I actually know for a fact it doesn't work.
Kitty
that
cat. It's a cat. Guys, that is the wrong animal.
Oh, it looks too big to be a fucking
way. It's a
cat.
black cat, though. Fuck that shit.
No, black cats can be good. If a black cat comes to you, it's good luck.
Okay, and it has the brown
Thanks, bro.
eyes, which means it's a Bombay cat, and those are like dogs.
And those are probably dogs.
No, when I was in the hospital, I was on a lot of morphine, so I watched a lot of nature documentaries.
Hey, meow meow.
And they were talking about how Bombay kitties are pretty much cats, but are pretty much dogs in cat bodies. Look how pretty he is. We should take him home.
Cats
Can
are
we
evil
take him
fucks.
home?
Fuck
He's
you,
like-
Jack.
End of the
following
game.
me.
The entire point was to find a cat, and then you adopt it, and it's fine.
I just want to play with a cat.
Ignore the cat.
No, he's so cute. Look how big he is. He's like as big as Meowsy.
Eat Slamming Hachi.
Okay. Let's proceed. I'm ready. Let's do this. I believe in you. I'm ready as long as it's not me playing.
It is really quiet.
Too quiet. Some fucking scary ass shit. There's a door to your right.
There are a few doors.
I don't know if you can go in there or not.
Let me
I
look
don't
at
know.
Can you shine your camera at it and go in it?
I'm gonna go this way.
Dragon, I need your beer to protect me.
Is the cat still following me?
it. Yeah, because that's not creepy to see all quiet at night.
Fucking just a cat walking away.
And this is when your phone dies and all the ghosts eat your soul. It has a long battery life, except for when you fuck up.
And take pictures of cats.
Okay, I think there's something here. There's a ghosty somewhere.
Why are you just looking at a wall?
I'm trying to get the light switches.
I don't think it works in games like this.
It works and Emily wants to play.
That's a different type of game.
Different type of game.
That's the bathroom.
There's always a key in the bathroom.
It's true, it's usually in the toilet, not gonna lie. Oh, they have the traditional toilets.
Huh. That's interesting.
Other Brian was telling me how in China, usually it's just a hole in the ground.
Huh.
That crescendo in noise, though.
Oh, look at that random. No, just walk in.
What the fuck? Oh,
Nah.
she's
Nah.
Go say hi.
Nah.
Don't go say hi.
What's up, homegirl?
Duh. Tits.
Oh.
Take a picture of her. Jesus H. Christ, keep fucking taking a
I'm
picture.
trying! I tried! Jesus Christ.
He got more scared than I did.
Yeah, he did. I think he needs frog. Shit.
You could have frog.
No, frog. Shh. I'm a real man.
Well, this is what happens when I die too. I get the choice.
Does
Oh,
that
come
happen
back.
often?
Yeah.
A blue vein indicates a point of interest is nearby.
Okay, let's say that again without your mouth full for everyone to
A
hear.
blue vignette indicates a point of interest is nearby. She can have her mouth as full as she wants.
Damn,
As long as someone else reads it.
There's a sexual joke in there somewhere.
Yeah, I realized it after I said it.
Ew. A set of items can be collected to upgrade Linda's ability.
What is Linda's ability? Walking?
She's good at
Taking a
it.
picture. She takes those damn good selfies. Hashtag no filter.
That's true.
Hashtag no filter. Hashtag wasted.
Hashtag wasted.
So we just got wasted.
A red vignette indicates that a supernatural entity is nearby.
That makes
These
sense.
are really hot.
Because when the thing was starting to get all
That's
red
what I
in the
call-
like around the middle.
On the outside. And it's like, oh, fuck.
These are really hot. My tongue is red.
Is there a ghost in your mouth?
Shit.
Yes.
It's like those
Giggity.
creepy parasites that attack fish.
Oh
Have you
god,
seen
yeah,
that
I've
shit?
seen that shit.
You've been playing for a while now. Consider
Jacob's
taking a break.
Jacob's roommates bought $100 worth of Girl Scout cookies. And he asked if we like Girl Scout cookies.
Can he send me some? Because this one doesn't like Girl Scout cookies.
Who?
Yeah.
I like them.
They're so dry.
Cinnamons, bro.
So dry.
Cinnamons, bro. And the
Have you ever
cinnamons.
had frozen ones?
Yeah, get high and eat some
I
frozen
am locked in
cinnamons.
this room right now. Open the door. There's Giggly.
Nope.
Nope.
I'm cat's crying. Let's go run downstairs. Okay, sweet. Oh, fuck you, cat.
If you didn't hear Bryce just now, he said, "Oh, sweet Jesus, fuck you, cat." But look at this cat; it's so cute.
They can't see that cat yet.
You guys can't see this cat yet. I was talking to that camera, not yours.
There's that giggle crying, and I ain't down for that.
It's not giggle crying, she's straight up crying. I don't
You're
like
straight
it.
up crying.
I am straight up crying. Oh god, she's
She's
Fuck you. You know, when in doubt, Sophia.
Leave this place.
It sucks.
Her name's Ira?
You're the only one who can get out of this place.
That's why she's
That
fucking-
sucks.
that's why
What
she's
the fuck?
sad.
You have to get out of here. Take this key and leave.
Oh, that's
Help.
How?
Didn't her head do like that?
Fuck.
She's laughing and crying at the same time, yes. And I can't put the camera down.
Take a picture.
I can't.
You-
Yeah, I can. Alright.
I'm gonna post that to the internet. Fucking Ira. Get your crying bitch ass out of here. Take that cat with you. Fuck that cat. Oh, sweet! What the fuck?
I ain't down for that. I just...
Sweet Jesus!
I really,
The game. I was looking at the candle, and all of a sudden the game was like, "Hey, yo, fuck you."
Well, shit. How do I get the fuck out of here?
What?
Follow the camera.
What's up? Ike, what do you want?
My ass is asleep.
Same.
Same.
And then we're gonna leave here and we're gonna go to Istanbul where my ass is
It's gonna be sick. Hakuna Matata, what's up? What's up?
It means no worries for the rest of your days. It's our problem free
Carly's apparently playing Dreadout.
philosophy. Hakuna Matata.
Tits, cat!
Good job, Merlin.
Brad!
Have one. It gives you balls.
Nah, I
Because
need a
you eat
cheesy
it.
poop. I need a cheesy poop.
Then get a fucking cheesy poof!
I love you.
How's everyone
I
Michelle?
love you.
What?
Aubrey, marry me.
Done.
Okay.
I
Oh.
have impaled cheese combo.
No.
That's a thing. The shit is that though? It looks like a fucking giant. I feel like I'm in Labyrinth right now.
What is that?
That shit has a hand.
It does have a hand.
Okay,
Singular hand.
touch it.
I have to go near that.
The anticipation of you walking is killing me.
You're welcome.
He's the slowest walker on the fucking planet.
Well, I mean, I wouldn't. I'd be like either power walking, running, or like just nah.
Dead sprinting.
That's a not okay hand. That is a not nice hand. I don't like that thing. That thing's gonna drop down and it's gonna eat your face. I'm so optimistic.
I don't know where I'm supposed to go.
We lost literally a man.
Walk to it.
I'm just gonna look down.
Hold on.
What does blue mean?
Blue means
Point of
good-
interest.
Point of interest, yeah.
God, my ass!
Take a picture of the candles.
Oh, it's gone now. They're out now. There's only one.
Well, there was only one lit.
Take a picture.
Maybe you have to have it like framed up a specific way,
That's what I was thinking.
Or there's stuff around the map that you have to like, take a picture of.
and then I'll light them up.
I bet you're right, and that giant thing was supposed to be a thing you were supposed to take a picture of.
I did take like 500 pictures of it.
Yeah, so I think that's why your one camera is lit.
Nice, alright.
Well, he's still there, but I think he's still
Yeah, use your camera.
She walks so
Fuck.
she walks so slow with the camera out. That crescendo though.
Because that's like one path. It's like a linear path. There's gotta be just real ones. Yeah, see, there's a whole fucking...
This would be terrifying. Wait, stop. Looking at on your camera. You heard that right?
Yeah. Use your camera, you're starting to get a red vignette.
Oh god, oh god.
Run. Oh no, now it's working.
Run! Never hit the button faster and then back up, back up, back up.
I'm
back
trying,
up.
I can't. Oh god!
Oh, and you did.
Oh, right there.
He's like, he reminds me of Soft
Yeah.
Morty.
He was still alive, Karlsss.
I can't. Oh god. Oh
there's
god.
two of them. What the
Oh god.
This is like the worst position for
I
him.
cannot, like, literally cannot get up.
I was gonna say.
It auto saves.
For when Bryce gets stuck in fucking Fallout 4, it could not move more than like 2 seconds.
We are at 20 minutes.
Nah. Yeah. End it. It's a good place.
So
Yep.
this is a good stopping point. We're gonna continue this. But I need a moment, and we will be back with the next video. Ballsocks Gaming.
Ballsocks Gaming.
Ballsocks Gaming.
Ballsocks Gaming.
Yeah.